back at it this afternoon. Let's make it happen.
Still very windy this afternoon, but we're sneaking up this hill to a spot where kind of 3 roads come together next to a food plot. I'm gonna try to get set up here, try to call, see if there's anything close by, but I'm gonna have to use a glass call to try to get loud and cut through this wind. But definitely turkeys in the area. Saw a lot of sign while we were driving through earlier today, so this should be a good little spot to get here in the timber and get set up.
I didn't know you were shooting there. There we go! Woo! That's awesome! Holy cow. That joker, I just walked around the corner. That wasn't 3 minutes for me going around the corner, was it?
No!
Oh my God, that was a hard shot. That was a really hard shot.
Job! Way
Awesome,
to go!
man. That was awesome. What a great Got it done today on opening day. We set up on this road where we knew the turkeys had been traveling. We seen tracks from this afternoon and we were calling, but it's super windy as you can tell and couldn't hear anything all afternoon. And all of a sudden I'm turning my head and I'm looking on the road and I swing over far to my right and I see this bird standing there all alone, staring down the decoy and couldn't move, couldn't turn all the way to my right yet. And he turns around and Daniel starts calling, and as soon as he does, bird turns around on a dime, and it wasn't but 10 seconds later where I took the shot at right at about 40 yards. Unbelievable experience. Not a bad one at all.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful bird.
Probably what, a 9-10 inch beard?
I'd say so. That is awesome.